Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Install Dolphin 5, 0 or newer, and make sure your controller drivers are current. Plug in or pair the controller so your OS shows it as a device. This ensures Dolphin can see it. Once done, place any downloaded profiles or templates in an easy-to-find folder. This saves time when importing. Make sure Dolphin is closed before modifying its user folders, because file changes are picked up on startup and prevent configuration conflicts. Open Dolphin and go directly to Controllers, then select the GameCube or Wii Pad you want to map. Choose your physical device from the drop-down and pick a preset if available. Presets speed things up because they match common layouts. Now map buttons. Assign A, B, X, Y, both shoulder buttons, triggers, C-stick axes, and the D-pad. Use click and press for buttons and drag for axes when available. This avoids inverted or swapped inputs later. After saving your profile, load a lightweight ROM or the Dolphin test input window to confirm everything responds correctly. Pay attention to analog dead zones and sensitivity. Increase dead zone if drift appears, and lower sensitivity for twitchy sticks. Enable rumble if supported to verify force feedback. If you see swapped axes or persistent drift, reassign the axis, update controller firmware or drivers, and reload the profile. One key troubleshooting tip: create a fresh profile.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.